Chief Minister Imnam Khemjan today launched 8 online portals and LR Manipur mobile application during a function held at MFSDS in Palace Compound. The launch of these portals marked a significant step towards digital, citizen-centric governance. Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam, Minister of Arts and Culture and Tourism Khuraijam Loken, along with Deputy Commissioners, SDOs, SDC and representatives of National Informatics Center and Globis Web Solutions Private Limited attended the program. Speaking in the program, Chief Minister Khemjan congratulated Land Resources Department for launching the online portals, while also expressing confidence that the online portals will provide easy access to citizens, while also providing a platform to upload documents, pay fees, track progress online. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemjan also asserted that the newly launched online portals will also facilitate a transparent service to citizens.
Normal with Sarkar said over Matamsida, I told Opiram I Madudagi and not target setting. Can you let go from Lizzie? Lona. I know Lucian Zarakoda in Tanzania. We Yana transparency winner land record. The Gigasai Quaggy, Honorable Minister Home Sutambil Midungai, Masimanausing in Lambi and Navada. Say, Kanodana, Amindana, Maya, and the current she and Kayam absent with the middle. And I do one thing what Mayama do, talk to them. Yana transparency winner, Nasi Len Kanona, Quiggy, Department Sina, Pantopong, Namnaba Honaba, Asida, Tagan, Lokiba, Kudima, Goina, Amukana, Tagan, Pong.
On the other hand, speaking in the function, Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam said the newly launched portals is the first step towards a transparent government and to ensure efficient public service delivery system. While appreciating the fast-track land record digitization process, Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam stressed on the importance of providing a platform to citizens to access information about their land and assets in order to avoid land disputes. The Home Minister also added that with digitization of land records, there will be transparency and there will be no chance of manipulation on land records. Speaking further, Govindas Konthaujam maintained that the launch of new portals contributes to Digital India initiative, while asserting that citizens can access their land records from their devices at any point of time and place.
No chance of manipulation by any of the offices. Later, digitization to Buloy. Later, the Manukari Mukta Holani, as I got not with the boy. Aduga buy and sell to the boy, any permission sick to Umatamda, online to get away are anything. As I have been given a mission behind Roeba. Even if officer to Nai Hargasuya road, Nasai portal to the Magi, Matanga Nine Adam in Haba. This is very important. Yamblaihan Lakpa, transparent Oiba, Aduga, reliable Oiba. Adugum bagata nga sige siya aduna ini yang nungay nga sige program siya Honorable Chief Minister ki initiation mahaki lising makada akoy ki praja singbo akoy Honorable Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri ji na India se digital India mo oina na bagi asobo khungthang singi manungda asisu amani